What will the driver of the blue car do at the intersection? A traffic rules task. An intersection is one of the most difficult and dangerous places on the road. To avoid accidents, drivers must clearly understand traffic rules and be able to react correctly in unusual situations. When traffic is heavy, it is very easy to get confused at intersections where traffic flows in different directions intersect. We invite you to solve an interesting problem so that you can test your knowledge. The task: when passing this intersection, the driver of the blue car must 1. Give way to both cars. 2. Give way only to the red car. 3. Pass the intersection first. Analysis of the task. In the image, you can see a T-shaped intersection. According to the rules, since there are no traffic lights or traffic controllers, it is unregulated. Therefore, drivers must follow the rules of the road. The blue car is on the right side of the intersection. According to the rules, it must give way to the red car. The red car is on the left side of the intersection. According to the rules, it must give way to the blue car. The blue car must give way to the red car. The blue car must give way to the red car. The blue car must give way to the red car. The image shows a T-shaped intersection. According to the rules, since there are no traffic lights or traffic controllers, it is unregulated. Therefore, drivers must follow the rules for unregulated intersections and the relevant road signs installed at the intersection. On the road where the driver of the blue car is traveling, there's a main road sign and a main road direction sign. According to the rules, at unregulated intersections, drivers traveling on secondary roads must give way to vehicles traveling on the main road. According to the picture, the driver of the red car has no right-of-way. But according to the sign, both the driver of the white truck and the driver of the blue car are on the main road. So we need to figure out which of them should give way to the other. Let's recall the rule. If the main road changes direction at an intersection, drivers of vehicles traveling on it must follow the rules for passing intersections of equivalent roads. Therefore, the rule also known as the right-hand rule comes into effect. That is, on equivalent roads, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to road users on the right. This rule does not apply only at intersections where roundabouts are organized. That is, the correct answer is 3. Pass the intersection first.